Okay, so this is a video for all of you remote kiddos or kiddos who missed class today. We're going to talk about questions 2 through 12 in the packet. We're going to do the evens. You're going to do the odds next to them. So remember, when there's not an equal sign, you are not solving for anything. You're not going to get x equals 3 or x equals 10 or anything like that. All you're going to do is do some operations to make it as small as possible. So for example, if we had 3x plus 5x plus 2x plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, you're just going to add the like terms together. Okay? So, like I said, we're going to do the evens. You're going to do the odds. We're going to start hopefully pretty easy. 4v minus 10v. Well, 4 minus 10 is negative 6v. Okay? When you're adding and subtracting, the letters just stay the same. 4v minus 10v, negative 6v. Number 4, I like to use circles or squares or underlines or whatever to put the things together that go together. So this 8v goes with this 6v, but if you notice that 6v has that negative, I'm going to include that. And then we've got this positive 10, well that goes with that positive 9. And the reason they go together is those in green don't have letters, but the ones in the blue squares, they do have letters. So 8v minus 6v is 2v. Positive 10 plus 9 is positive 19. And remember, if I'm going too fast for you, pause it, rewind it, all that jazz. So now we see parentheses. We remember that parentheses mean multiplication. We're going to multiply this negative 7 into both of those things. This is called distributing. So negative 7 times r is negative 7r. Negative 7 times a negative 2 is a positive 14. Okay, similar question. Distribute that 4 in. You get 8 minus 16x. Now that's a perfectly fine answer, but as an OCD math teacher, I'm going to put this in the correct form. So what normally happens is we write the thing with the x first. But however, this 16, you notice that that 16 is negative. It needs to stay negative. You don't just make the negative stay in the middle. This 8 is positive, right? It's not a negative 8, it's a positive 8, so you need to put plus. It is not this. A lot of people will do that because they'll just flip-flop the 8 and the 16 and just leave the subtraction in the middle. Do not do that. Okay, distribute that 4. Now the 4 does not go all the way to the 8 because it's not in parentheses, so this plus 8 just kind of drops down. Then you add your like terms together. Hopefully that all made sense. If not, let me know and I'll explain it to you some more. Okay, now this one's similar, but because they're just flipped in a different order, but a lot of people will get this one wrong because when you read it, you read negative 4 plus 7 times b plus 6. And you're thinking, okay, negative 4 plus 7, well, that's 3. Well, remember, order of operations, you have to do multiplication division before addition subtraction. So you have to multiply that 7 in before doing anything with that 4. So hopefully you can see there, I multiplied the 7 in. I'm just going to drop this negative 4 down. And now these are my like terms. So 7b plus 38. Okay, those are all the first 12 that we're going to do. The evens, you're going to do the odds, so 3 through 13 odd, and you're going to do that half.